Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install and configure Jellyfin on Unraid to turn your LincStation NAS into a powerful personal media server. What is Jellyfin? Jellyfin is a free and open source media system that allows you to manage and stream your movies and TV shows to multiple devices. It's a great alternative to Plex and MB, giving you full control and zero subscription fees. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into Unraid and start the array. First, open your browser and log into the Unraid web interface. Make sure the array is started. If the array is not running, you won't be able to create shared folders or store any media files. Step 2. Create media shared folders. Now go to Shares, then click Add Share. Create a new share named Media. Save the settings. These folders will be used by Jellyfin to scan and organize your media library. Step 3. Install the Jellyfin Docker container. Next, open Apps, which is the Unraid App Store. Search for Jellyfin. Select the official Jellyfin container and click Install. Then wait a minute. Set the following path mappings. Container path, data, movies. Host path, MNT, user, media, movies. Container path, data, to shows. Host path, MNT, user, media, TV shows. Keep all other settings as default. Then click Apply to start the installation. Step 4. First access and initial Jellyfin setup. Once installation is complete, click Web UI on the Jellyfin container. Choose your interface language. Then click Next. Create your admin username and password. Now configure the media libraries. Add a movies library. Select content type movies, and choose the Data, Movies folder. Select your country and language for automatic metadata scraping. Add a TV shows library. Select content type TV shows, and choose the Data, TV shows folder. Click Finish and enter the dashboard. Jellyfin is now successfully running on Unraid.